What happens to your body when you start eating honey? We're constantly searching for a product that can be both delicious and enjoyable, while also serving as a magic pill for our bodies. Regular consumption of honey can help cleanse your body of various toxins due to its excellent antioxidant properties. Furthermore, the antibacterial properties of honey can significantly enhance the condition of your skin. If you consume honey on a daily basis, your body will begin to experience these 8 changes. 1. Weight loss. Physicians suggest avoiding sugar-based sweets if you're monitoring your weight. However, they don't recommend eliminating honey because it contains a distinct type of sugar compared to other sweeteners. The metabolism-boosting effects of honey are crucial for weight loss. 2. Clearer skin. Regularly consuming honey can effectively cleanse your body of toxins, thanks to its potent antioxidant properties. Furthermore, the antibacterial characteristics of honey can significantly enhance the health of your skin. 3. Lowered cholesterol level. Honey is entirely free of cholesterol and, in fact, its constituent components and vitamins can aid in reducing cholesterol levels. By consuming honey on a daily basis, the body can experience an increase in antioxidant compounds that combat excessive cholesterol. This has a positive impact on one's health. 4. Stronger heart. Studies indicate that the antioxidants present in honey can prevent the narrowing of arteries, which, depending on the location, can cause issues such as cardiac failure, memory impairment, or headaches. To prevent this, consuming a glass of water with a few spoonfuls of honey can suffice. 5. Improved memory. Further research indicates that honey can combat stress, rejuvenate the cellular antioxidant defense system, and subsequently enhance memory. Additionally, the brain can readily absorb the calcium found in honey, leading to positive effects on brain function. 6. Promotes quality sleep. The sugar found in honey raises insulin levels in the bloodstream, which triggers the release of serotonin. This neurotransmitter is then converted into melatonin, a hormone that supports restful sleep. 7. Cleanses the digestive tract. As a potent antiseptic, consuming a spoonful of honey on an empty stomach is advised to prevent a range of diseases related to the digestive system. Furthermore, honey can eliminate germs and mend minor wounds in the mucous membrane while passing through the stomach. This straightforward practice is beneficial for one's health. 8. Soothes the nerves, alleviating numerous psychological disorders. It may seem unusual, but it's the truth. Honey can help calm nerves and alleviate fatigue. Glucose, found in honey, is crucial for the functioning of neurons. It is rapidly assimilated into the bloodstream, promoting relaxation and easing psychological issues. Bonus: try this honey and garlic combo. When combined with another natural remedy with strong antiseptic and healing properties, garlic, the power of honey will increase tenfold. Garlic-infused honey will boost your immune system and keep you in good health. You're going to need the following ingredients: 3 to 4 heads of garlic, 1 cup raw honey, a small jar with a lid. Separate the garlic heads into cloves and remove their outer layers. Put them into the jar and then pour honey over them. Remove bubbles if necessary. Cover the jar with a lid and put it away to infuse for a few days. Take 1 spoonful a day on an empty stomach, and you will feel energized and healthy like never before. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.